Are you finding that working from home has its challenges, and the important paperwork you had prepared yesterday becomes today's confetti? We know how you feel, and we might have a solution for you. Make your own jump rope kits. These kits are fun for both kids and adults. Choose your favorite colors of both handles and beads. Then have fun with your own patterns as you string and make your own jump rope. When kids get to be the creators, it makes a fun and memorable experience for all. Jump rope kits are great for jumping, but also for entertaining. Play games like Catch Your Sister, Ziggity Zaggity, Hop the Line, making shapes, making snakes, tossing stuffed animals into those shapes, and so much more. All of these are great, fun activities for your kids. And who knows, you might even get some work done.